Hello friends! Today I will show you how to crochet a small ribbon with heart. It's an easy pattern for beginners. Can be a cute scrap yarn crochet project. It's perfect for crochet applique, hairpins, keychain, fridge magnets, small gifts, or bookmark. For this pink ribbon hugs, I used 3-ply acrylic yarn and 3.0mm crochet hook. They are about 6 centimeters. For a funny look, you can add 7mm eyes. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles and choose your language for written instructions. Start by doing a slip knot, using any technique you want. Next, do 33 chains. Start in third chain from the hook and do 6 half double crochet stitches. The first 2 chain from the crochet hook will be considered like first half double crochet stitch. If you find this video too slow, you can change the playback speed in the settings. Next, do 2 slip stitches. Do 1 half double crochet stitch, then do 6 chains. Start in second chain from the crochet hook and do 5 slip stitches. Let's continue with 2 half double crochet stitches. In each of next 8 chains, do 2 half double crochet stitches. These 2 stitches in same space, it's called an increase. Next, do 2 half double crochet stitches, then chain 6. Start in second chain from the crochet hook and do 5 slip stitches. Continue with 1 half double crochet stitch, then, in next 2 chains, do 1 slip stitch. In the last 7 chain stitches, make 1 half double crochet stitch. Fasten off, then use a needle or the crochet hook to hide the tails of yarn. Now you will learn how to crochet a little heart. Start by making a magic ring, that is, a magic circle. Chain 3. Work on magic circle and do 2 triple crochet stitches. Continue with 2 double crochet stitches. Then do 1 chain, 1 double crochet stitch, and another chain. Continue with 2 double crochet stitches. Next, do 2 triple crochet stitches. Chain 3, then slip stitch back on the magic circle. Fasten off, close the magic circle and shape the heart. To put the pieces together, you can sew or glue them. You choose your preferred method. If you want, you can add eyes for a funnier look. Thanks for watching and see you soon.